Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, today I have taken a new video like every day. Today our video topic is how to increase breast size naturally at home. Before starting, I want to say please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. At first, take a fresh bowl. Then, add 1 tablespoon of baby Vaseline. Now, take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Mix it well. At last, add 1 piece vitamin E capsule. Now, mix it well properly. Ready for use. Now apply it on your breast gently. Use it daily at night for better results. Friends, see you again in our next videos. Friends, thanks for watching. Please comment, like and share.